Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on this brand new series where I am upcycling older comb tops from my shop into brand new fluffs for you to enjoy and spin or felt. So the first one that we're doing is the Gradient Rainbow on Ida top, which is not Ida down. It is actually it is the wool from a German mutton sheep, in short. Very weird fiber, fun to work with, supposedly weatherproof. There's a lot of information on it on the internet, but anyways, all I'm doing right now is upcycling. This colorway is Gradient Rainbow on Ida. I am adding in Cheviot and Corriedale top, Texel Gulf Coast Cross fleece that I've already carded or picked and ready to card. And then we have Gotland and Teeswater locks. The Gotland are black or gray and the Teeswater is white. And then we have sparkle, and I'm only using yellow sparkle for this particular yellow row legs. And I am carding up 2 sets of this color. So they're each around 3 ounces, and I will probably spin one set and put the other set in the shop. We shall see. We're planning on going through the entire series here of all the colors, and when I need blue and purple, I will use Sadie's colors on Ida top for those, because my Gradient Rainbow does not have blue and purple. How I manage that, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, before we get too far into this, I wanted to say, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you very much. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. And if you are enjoying today's video, if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And yeah, I would like to give a huge thank you, huge from the bottom of my heart thank you, because the beginning of July, we reached 1,000 subscribers. And that's amazing. I'm so excited. We need to do something to celebrate. I don't know what. I'll be thinking about it. Leave your comments and suggestions down in the comment section below. Also, I have a second braid of this Gradient Rainbow on Ida top. If you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to see me turn that into, please let me know, because I can do something different with the second braid. I'm not sure I want to do 4 sets of Rolegs of every single color. That's a lot of Rolegs, and it is very hard taking them off the drum carder by myself. It's easier if I have help. But anyways, these were fun to make. I can't wait to start spinning them and show you how they spin up, and I cannot wait to get them labeled and packaged and in the shop, and photographed, of course. So as I load up my drum carder with the varying fibers that I believe I listed already, if I have not, I will do it again. It is Ida top, Cheviot and Corriedale top, Texel and Gulf Coast Cross, Gotland, Teeswater, and Angelina. Those are the fibers in these. There's no Angora, there's no alpaca, there's none of that. And every single color is going to be the same fibers. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'm going to turn the music on and let you go. Have fun, enjoy whatever you're doing, and again, thanks for getting me to that 1,000 subs. I appreciate you so much. Bye guys.